Hello, this is my reporting in PERDEV Module 11. What's new? At the very onset of K-12 curriculum, the Department of Education has provided career pathways that secondary students might pursue as a strategy to prepare them on their planned careers according to an enclosure in DepEd Memorandum Number 149. 2011, the following are the career pathways: Science and Technology or Engineering and Science Education Program, Special Program in Journalism, Technology and Livelihood Education, Home Economics, Industrial Arts. What's new? Information and Communication Technology ICT. Photo editing, desktop publishing, web page design, programming, data management, computer assembly, maintenance, and troubleshooting, agriculture and fishery, plant production, animal production, fish production. What's new? Special program in sports. Athletics, arnis, badminton, basketball, baseball, softball, chessball, football, gymnastic, sepak takraw, swimming, table tennis, taekwondo, tennis, volleyball. Special program in the arts. Visual arts, music, vocal and instrumental, media arts, theater arts, creative writing, dance. What's new? Special program in foreign languages. Although a student can always choose the career pathway she desires, there are certain factors that need to be looked into, ensuring that an individual has bigger chances in achieving his or her goals over failing to do so. The Education Department provides a wide array of career options in order of for the students to avoid career mismatch and eventually unemployment as reported by Philippine Statistics Authority, PSA. The January 2020 Labor Force Survey, LFS, reflected that country's youth labor participation rate jumped from 35.9% in January 2019 to 37.4% this year. In the same period, there was also a slight deduction from last year, 14.2% to this year, 13.6 unemployment rate among youth. Meanwhile, the underemployment from the youth population also went down from 2019 14.6% to 2020's 12.5%. Though the LLFS shows a fairly performing youth labor data this year, there must have a consistent push from different sectors in order to fully minimize the employment and underemployment remainders that transferred in the survey. What it is. There are different considerations that affect an individual when it comes to deciding how you act towards achieving your personal goals. Although people are distinct from their goals and are different from achieving, so there are similar concepts and factors that you always have to look when it comes to career development. In this module, you will be given an introduction to the three career development concepts and numerous factors that you have to pay attention to for you to be able to achieve a more informed decision in choosing the best career for you. Career development concepts. Bandura Social Cognitivity Theory. The social cognitive theory of Albert Bandura elaborate efficacy, an individual's characteristic where a person performs in a certain level of work according to his or her confidence to accomplish a task. Super's career development theory. Donald Super's theory postulates that a person undergoes several stages in career development, synthesizing into five super outlines, five developmental stages that occur in the career development of an individual. Growth. Around 4 to 13, children develop their wants, capacities, behavior, socialization skills, and general views of the world. Exploration. 14 to 24, people try to find themselves in the world through identifying their hobbies, groups, and experience in this stage. They identify tentative choices until they reach their permanent occupation. Establishment 25 to 44 page. Individuals are set to their appropriate position but still strive for advancement. Maintenance. People proceed to continual adjustment, challenging themselves to explore to better grounds. They try to update their competencies and innovate ways by which they can approach their field of work. Disengagement. People start to disengage themselves from the workforce. They concentrate on retirement planning and retirement living. Career development factors. Recently, the Department of Education has released a memorandum number of 169/2018 in support to the implementation of Graduate Career Guidance Program, wherein enumerated several factors to consider in career pathways. An individual may intrinsically or extrinsically motivated depending upon the strength of influences numerous factors found on him or her. Although there are more specific factors available in different books, the Department of Education classified these factors into three. Personal students' personal preferences and idiosyncrasies play as a vital factor in a career development. His or her self-assessment contributes to his or career choice, hence personal decision making. Academic. Experiences in the educational platform also serve as a factor in career development as students' competencies are challenged. Yet on in school, students create a huge sense of evaluation within themselves by checking and reviewing their academic performance. By so doing, there is a clear assessment on their strengths and weaknesses, which they may use in choosing and developing a career they think is suited to them. Other factors, students' personal insights of their work values serve as a in choosing a career path and achieving personal goals. Work values are your principles and ideas that related to your career. These cover honesty, service, self-respect, respect for others, peace, and success. Yes, familiar. Since humans are social in nature, that people are at times influenced by their surroundings, leaning to a certain career path may be affected by familiar factors. Extroversion motivation comes from the outside and you are fond on interactions. Intuition. Possibilities in the future are given heavy consideration because you can sense pieces of evidence more than the five senses can provide you. Feeling. Decisions are accounted for by consulting your feelings and values. Preserving planning is not considered because you take spontaneity and flexibility as your strongest edge. It is also important to take note of your interests when identifying careers since it is difficult to thrive in a workplace where you are not passionate about you have to do. Ensure that your career choice is inclined to your interest in order for the task to be lighter, to be enjoyable at that. Lastly, aptitudes are also a factor to take a look into in choosing a career. Currently identifying your aptitudes may give you wider opportunities to fit yourself in your career choice. The long list of factors in choosing a career may increase the precision in recognizing the appropriate one for you. That said, it also noteworthy that a wrong career choice may lead to certain complications that may impede someone's growth, leading to compromising the welfare of the whole company. Number one, loss of motivation, lack of interest, frustration, are individual may lose the this and enthusiasm in working. She feels that the career culture where she is into not where she should be. Number two, poor productivity, absentees, absentance. As a challenging effect of career choice, a person partially or totally waste time and money as she may not want to perform in the career any longer. Number three, high turnover rates when a company has failed to its employees and motivate them in such way that they would individually contribute for the growth of the institution. Employees resigning one by one may eventually result to turnover rates.